Now talking about the differences of Mohr's method and Volhard's method, the first and obvious difference is Mohr's method is a direct method of titration, whereas Volhard's method is indirect method, or you can say back titration method. In Mohr's method, what is our analyte? Halide ions are our analyte and silver nitrate is our titrant. Now, in case of Volhard's, what we are doing is, obviously halide ions are our analyte, but silver nitrate is added in excess, and then remaining silver nitrate is titrated with thiocyanate ions. They are filled in burette. The next point of difference is our indicator. In case of Mohr's method, we are using chromate ions as our indicator. So potassium chromate is used as an indicator. In case of Volhard's method, ferric ions are used as an indicator. So ferric nitrate or ferric ammonium sulfate is used as an indicator. So these are the first three very obvious points of difference. Now the next difference in Mohr's and Volhard's is this titration is carried out in, as you know, neutral to slightly basic pH, but Volhard's titration is carried out in acidic pH. So how we can actually achieve this? By addition of say sodium bicarbonate or borax, and this we can achieve by addition of free nitric acid. Now the next point of difference is we can carry out titrations of chlorides and bromides effectively, whereas in Volhard's method we can carry out the titration of chlorides, bromides, iodides and thiocyanates effectively. The next point of difference is in Mohr's method the titration has to be carried out at room temperature, because as we increase the temperature, the solubility of silver chromate increases, and if it is a PPT, it is supposed to be less soluble, but if the solubility increases, it might lead to titration error. So reaction is carried out at room temperature. Similarly, in Volhard's, the reaction has to be carried in cool temperature less than 20 or less than 25, because the soluble complex which we are going to get at the end point, the ferric thiocyanate complex, it loses its color when the temperature increases. So in both cases, here we have to keep the temperature below 20 or 25 so that the color does not fade away, and here we have to keep the temperature at room temperature level, because the solubility of silver chromate is getting affected as the temperature is increased. I think we have covered all the points mostly.